y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. First of all, I have to say, y'all just excuse my appearance because I was about to rip these lashes off. I had already taken my lip off and eaten dinner, put on a big comfy t-shirt, and then I had a package arrive. So this is the GERARD Cosmetics mystery box that I got for you, and I just had to go ahead and unbox it. So quick story too, I'll tell you about the sizes in a second. I went to put this in my cart and I was gonna order it, but I was kind of like in between, do I want to get the middle one or the big one? And then my dumb ass went ahead and ordered it like without like making the decision. So I was like, all right, decision's made, we got the big one. I'll put a little thing up here for you with the prices. I got the biggest one, it's called the full on haul, and this was $139. It's not cheap, but I have not purchased from GERARD in a while, and I do really like their lip products, setting sprays. There's several things. Ooh, and the highlight, one of my favorite highlighters of all time comes from GERARD. So I was like, you know what? This is the perfect time. I haven't bought in a while. Let me see what I get. And I love mystery unboxings. So anyway, you're supposed to get at least a $300 value in this $139 box. So I'm very excited to see what I get. Also, the boyfriend went to the store to get us an ice cream. So I'm gonna try to be semi-quick. So let's see, we got just a little card on top talking about the clean canvas. I was recommended to try this out by a couple different people. So if I don't get it here, I'm gonna try it out soon either way. So let's see. Oh, it's like all open. So first up, we got the setting spray collection. I do really like their Slay All Day setting sprays. So this is a little set of 3. Let's see which ones we got. We got the Rose setting spray. I love the size of these two. We got lavender and then we got cucumber. Okay, so honestly, if I'm gonna be 100%, I'm so sorry this is the first item, but like floral scents aren't usually my favorite, but I do like the setting spray a lot, and the scents aren't too overpowerful. So if it's not like your favorite scent, it's not gonna be too bad. But usually like floral scents are not something I love on my face. The cucumber is gonna be nice, and I'm sure they're all good, but I don't think I've ever tried the lavender one. I've definitely had the rose one before, and even though I'm not like huge on rose, it was still nice and I still enjoyed it. Okay, let's see what we got next. This is the Brow Bar to Go. Okay. And it's, I think it said there was like 13 products or something like this in here. So this is the medium to ebony. I hope it's, ooh, it looks like it might be a little bit dark. My natural color is, you know, like a good medium brown, but this is a little dark for me now with my blonde. I'm sure I could probably just make this work though, but I'm interested to try this. Looks like we've got powders and then a wax. Interesting. Okay, I'm down to try this out. I also got a Slay All Day makeup removing balm. I have never tried this from them. Okay, it's in a tube. I was like, what is this? So I'm gonna try this tonight. Makeup removing balm. I love some good balm and oil type makeup removers. So definitely happy to have this and try it out. Oh, and this is rose too. That really doesn't bother me at all. You're gonna rinse this right off, so no big deal. Okay. Definitely, and it's got coconut oil, glycerin. Definitely gonna try that out tonight and see how it goes. Ooh, it's like slushy. We got a glitter lipstick. This is the shade DM Me. I think I have had some of their glitter lipsticks before. Okay, that's an interesting shade. Let's swatch it. Oh, okay. It's like a kind of like lavenderish shade and has some glitter, but I think you could top like a lip liner with this lightly and it not be like full on color. Should we put it on? Definitely gives you some glitter. It feels nice though. No, you know what I have? I didn't have their glitter lipsticks. I had their metallics, and I think mine got old, and I honestly didn't wear metallics for real almost ever, so it's interesting. I feel like this would be really pretty just layered over different color lip liners. All right, next up, the Starlit palette. Okay, let's see what this is. My Grace highlighter is looking beat up. It's still like a go-to for me. So it's a little golden bar. Okay, so it's not gray, so cool. I can get to try other colors. This has Timeless, Lucy, and Dorothy. So it looks like a bronzer or contour shade and then a couple of highlights. It's a nice little size. Let's swatch these. I've had the worst luck over the past several days. I keep getting things that are way too dark for me, And it's just like luck of the draw that that's happening, but I'm getting like darker stuff. So a little bit off for what I can use. I can probably go with this highlight right here. I bet I can still use it, especially if I'm self-tanning. This one may be a push, but this looks like a color I can use too. So probably 2 out of 3 items I can use, but yeah, I'm excited to try the formulas. All right, let's see what else. What is this? Oh, we got a pop socket. GERARD Cosmetics pop socket. We got a Color Your Smile lip gloss. This is Pretty Penny. I think I only have one of these, but I liked it a lot. This is a pretty like, kind of like bronzy copper color. Obviously penny, that's what they're going for there. And I love that these have your mirror. And then they also, when you open it up, if you're not familiar with Gerard, when you open these up, you have a light so that when you're applying it, you can see it. Oh wow, that's really pigmented. Okay, that's a little metallic looking. Okay. Probably not a color I would pick out, honestly. On my skin tone, it's not the most flattering, but it's a really cute gloss in general. I like the formula, the consistency, and I love the component. All right, next up we got a Supreme Lip Cream. Oh, this is pretty. It looks kind of coralish. This is Blooming Hibiscus. Okay, that's pretty. Very wearable for summer. Oh, that smells really good too. I don't know if I've ever tried this formula. I feel like I would remember this, and I've definitely had the glosses and the liquid lips, but this feels so nice. It's like fruity and just really good. Okay, that was very descriptive of me. We got a lip pencil. This is the shade Luna. Also, 2 of their lip pencils are like my all-time favorite. One of them's Ecstasy. I can't remember the name of the other. We'll swatch this one. This is kind of a sienna color. Still fairly a wearable shade. We got the Clean Canvas Eye Base. Oh, I got medium 1. I don't think this is a shade. Oh shoot, it's liquidy. I made a mess of it. Oops. A lot of it was in the lid, but I can see, okay, I see the consistency. I might have to try this like just on a whim just to see how I like the consistency and then pick a color. So I'll just show you because it got a little messy because I just opened it up all crazy like. So against my like face, it's not too bad. I can probably get away with this as long as I'm not doing something like bright and colorful, and try it out and see what I think about it. But like I said, I'm on this streak of like, if it's a random color assortment, I am bound to get stuff that is not the best suited for me. But yeah, that's okay. Happens to other people all the time. We got a Hydra Matte liquid lipstick. This is the shade Ecstasy. What did I just say? I love the lip pencil in Ecstasy. It's kind of mauvey, so let's see. So it's the Hydra Matte liquid lipstick right there. That's the shade Ecstasy. Very pretty color. Like I said, one of my favorite lip pencils, so happy to get that shade. What is this? It's just a white box. Is this a mirror? It's a mirror. This is cute. Okay, look at that. That's a good size mirror too. Okay, I won't like show you everything, but that's a nice size mirror. I like it. I like it. We've still got 2 products left. So we got a lipstick in Rodeo Drive. This looks like just like a simple lipstick. Okay, that's a pretty shade. Let's swatch that too. Ooh, this one's kind of like, I wouldn't say it's sheer, but it's like a creamy finish. It's got a little shine to it. So that's Rodeo Drive. And then we have, a metal matte. I've had these before. I don't think I'm going to swatch this one. This is Fuzzy Navel. And it's kind of like a peachy metallic, but I do not wear metallic liquid lips anymore. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's kind of like a peachy pink. It's really cute. I'm just not into the metallics anymore. So for that item, I'm just going to say, I already don't wear liquid lips most of the time as it is. So for me to go to a metallic, I just can't. So I did get several products that I'm excited for. The makeup remover setting sprays. The mirror is super cute. Very excited for probably like half the lips, like the lip cream, the Hydra Matte, the lip liner, and then that shade that we just got called Rodeo Drive. Very excited for all of those. I just had like a little bit of bad luck with the colors because the palette is only like so-so for me. The brow is a little bit dark. The eye base is a little bit dark. Oh yeah, and this is called Sunset and Vine Starlit Palette. I don't think I said that in the beginning. Yeah, I'm like half excited. I mean, it's a mystery, so I don't ever get upset like if it's not perfect for me. I mean, it's a mystery. You go into it knowing that. So I'm not mad at it. I definitely got some GERARD Cosmetics products that I'm going to use. I'm using that makeup removing balm in a little bit. I'll keep you guys updated on my channel and my vlogs or whatever if you guys want to know how I like some of these products. And then a couple things I'll put into my gift to friends and family bin. So I can't say that I'm like screaming from the rooftops, but if I'd had a little bit better luck, it would have been like ultra amazing. But as it stands, I got some stuff that I can use, so I'm really excited to try them out. And I hope you guys enjoyed hanging with me for a little bit for this unboxing. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and spending some time with me. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up if you like mystery unboxings or subscription unboxings. Make sure that you subscribe as well and turn on those notifications because I do a lot of unboxings here on my channel and I would love to have you stop by. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.